This is the Rokid Max, and it is the newest product in augmented reality. So in the box, we have the Rokid glasses, an HDMI to USB-C cable, a Rokid hub, some Space Explorer, and some anti-slip straps. So I've actually already used these glasses, and the first time I used them, I was just supposed to try it briefly, but I ended up watching 4 hours of Netflix straight on these things. So let's start with the Space Explorer. So this is a cute little random toy. So next is this Rokid Max Glasses. So technically these are augmented reality or AR glasses, and you can see through them. So in the box is this really big glasses container, and it unzips. Inside you'll have the Rokid Max Glasses, and there's also a little cover to protect the lenses. Oops, comes off this way. Now if you look at these glasses closely, the top half is blacked out and then the bottom half is see-through. That's because there's actually a display in here. Unfortunately, these glasses are not the most flattering, so I don't think I would ever wear this in public. So these glasses are see-through, so technically they are AR glasses. However, the tint on them is pretty dark, so it feels like I'm wearing sunglasses, which I guess if I'm wearing them outside, that makes sense. But if I was cooking or using them indoors, it does make the room look quite dark. Now with these glasses, they have an inbuilt diopter, so you can change the prescription on these based on your eyesight. It goes from 0 to -6 on each side. There is inbuilt speakers into these glasses as well. So when I put them on, I'll be able to hear the sound coming from these glasses directly. You can also change the volume using this button in the front, and you can change the screen brightness using this other button. Now when it comes to sound, you cannot plug in earphones to this directly, and it doesn't have Bluetooth capabilities. That's because this is literally just a display. It's not a standalone by any means. If I was just to put this on by itself right now, there's not like a power button that I can press to turn this on, because it's just not going to turn on unless I plug it in. So you can plug this into your laptop or your phone. So if you are using this on your laptop or phone, if that has Bluetooth capabilities, then you can connect your earphones to that, but it will not connect directly to this. However, I have used these glasses while sitting next to someone, and the audio on this is pretty directed towards the person who's using it. So while others in the room can also hear the audio on the glasses, it'll be really quiet for them. There is this nose pad part, so you can adjust this to get it to fit properly on your head. When you open these glasses case, there's also a bottom section that has the Type-C cable that comes in here, and there's also additional nose pads, which I actually haven't even opened this yet. What does it look like? Oh, yeah, so there's additional nose pads that look like this. So like I've said, I've already used these glasses quite a bit actually. And again, they're technically AR glasses, but I don't know if I would ever use them outside or in what you would expect AR glasses to traditionally do. You would expect it to have navigation and be able to walk around. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure if you can do that because I have an iPhone, and to use this with an iPhone, you need a Wi-Fi adapter. So I haven't been able to use the full capabilities of these things. However, what I've really loved using this for is for watching TV. So the screen on this is beautiful, and it's big and it's personalized. So while you're wearing this, you could lay down in bed, and it's so comfortable. And again, the audio is really loud for you, but very quiet for anyone else around you. And so I can lay down on my side, and and the TV will also be tilted. So no matter which way I lay, the screen is always perfectly in sync with my head. And again, these things are super comfortable, and the screen display is amazing. So although these are technically called AR glasses, I'm using them more for a personal movie theater slash a personal TV. I don't have a TV in my bedroom. It's bad feng shui. So these have been really great for like watching a lot of TV late at night. Also, something I've been able to do with these is using the Rokid hub. I've actually been able to connect this to my Nintendo Switch. I've been playing a lot of Dreamlight Valley, which is Animal Crossing, but Disney version. So you can connect this to your Nintendo Switch using the Rokid hub. Okay, so a couple of other products in here. We've touched on the Rokid hub, the HDMI to USB-C, the little toy, and then there's also these anti-slip straps. If you wear normal glasses, these are basically so if the glasses fall off of you, it catches on your neck and won't fall and break. Overall, at just under $500, I will say that these have been great for me as a personal TV/movie theater, but I will need to get the Wi-Fi adapter before I can say how good it is for other like traditionally AR applications, since I'm going to need that in order to connect these glasses to my phone. But yeah, I use this multiple times a week for several hours, and I really love them, so I think they're great. They're definitely an investment, but if you don't have a TV in your room or something, definitely worth getting. Make sure to subscribe so you can get some follow-up videos once I get the Wi-Fi adapter.